Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring moto vehicle experience. Today we bring you a review of the 2023 BMW X7. The 2023 BMW 7 Series is the ultimate super luxury sedan experience, providing the ultimate in performance, luxury, and technology. This new model from BMW is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to provide a superior driving experience with a blend of power, comfort, and convenience. With its advanced features, cutting-edge technology, and elegant design, the 7 Series stands out as one of the most impressive cars on the market today. From its powerful engine to its luxurious interior, the 7 Series is sure to make a statement wherever it goes. Whether you're a discerning driver or a luxury enthusiast, the new BMW 7 Series is sure to provide a comfortable experience. Is this car value for money? Value for money. This car costs a whopping $103,100 brand new. Share your sentiments in the comments section. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment.